Hey, Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here today to talk about the Wolfgang Uber Rinseless Wash. Now, this is probably the most versatile product that Wolfgang has to offer. Not just being, of course, a rinseless wash, but also being a waterless wash. It could be a softener when adding soap, it could be a clay lube, and it could be a quick detailer. Now, there are a lot of different dilution ratios for that. This being a concentrated formula, those different dilution ratios for each specific category you could find on the Autogeek website when you go to the Wolfgang page to look up, of course, the Wolfgang Uber Rinseless Wash. Now, with this product, it is very safe and effective to use on the vehicle's paint surface. This will help reduce, if not eliminate, any scratching as you're using it because of the lubricity that it has to offer, along with being a situation where you are very limited to water. This will be very helpful there because with no hose, this will allow you to at least fill a bucket with water and use it for the purpose of it being a rinseless. It will help add gloss, shine, and of course some repellency characteristics back to the vehicle surface if it has pre-existing protection on it, or if there's no protection, the polymers will help give a little bump in protection for you as you wash your vehicle with this product. The Wolfgang Uber Rinseless Wash allows you to basically wash your vehicle anywhere, anytime. Now, it's a personal preference on which kind of wash tools you want to use, whether you want to use a wash mitt or a wash sponge, as you see here, and then follow it up with a microfiber towel, which is the guzzler that we offer here to help dry the surface after using the rinseless wash. Now, this combination will help set you up for success to, again, be able to wash your vehicle anytime, anywhere. Now, here in Florida, you don't have a lot of situations where you would use a product like this on your daily drivers. This would be for like your classic vehicles and of course other scenarios that will play out to where you can't use water. However, up north where it's snowing in the winter seasons, that's where this really comes into play. When your vehicle is in the garage and you don't have a source to be able to hit it with a traditional wash, this comes into play big time, being very helpful and being able to wash your vehicle and keep it shiny and protected for the season. This is something that I love to use back at the shop because, again, clay lube, detail spray, and all the other categories it hits, it's phenomenal in those categories and how it works. So for more information about the Uber Rinseless Wash from Wolfgang or any of the other Wolfgang products, visit autogeek.com.